Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to show you my new bag from Nordstrom from JW Pay, and love this brand. Always have seen it on Instagram, was kind of curious. I didn't believe it was a real brand until I saw it at Nordstrom's. I believe they might also have this at Neiman Marcus, but here's the bag. I got it, there was a 20% off discount, and because of the Nordstrom semi-annual sale. So let's get to the actual bag. Has a cloth tie, and to reveal this little beauty. So this little beauty is awesome. Has the silver fabric with the beautiful crystals. As you can see right here, has a zip. This is the mini. Here are the serial numbers and the information in case you want to order this online. But if you get it at Nordstrom's during the semi-annual sale, you'll, instead of paying $129, you'll pay $89.99, which is about, I don't have the receipt with me, it's about 90 some dollars, so probably like 92, 94 after taxes in California. And it's in silver, and I know the name of this bag begins with an A. I just don't know it to tell you right now, but I will look online to find the name of this bag for you. It's in silver, and so there was two different prices, $89.99 or $129 regular. For the anniversary sale, you are paying much less for the anniversary price. So it's a beautiful bag. Has this zip, has the crystals at the bottom. Normally you see the black version. This is the silver version. They didn't have the black version, but I'm so happy I got this version because it matches with everything. Let's just open this up. It's caught on the papers. Oh, my receipt. And just to show you that I did get this at the Nordstrom store at Fashion Valley Center in San Diego. It says JW Pay in the middle, where you can put some cards, as you can see right here. It's a little bit dark in here, sorry. Just an empty space inside. And here it says, this is made with artificial crystal. The lining is polyester. It's designed with love in California, carefully made in China. So you can put your ID, your cards, let's say your eyeglass cleaner, a lipstick, a lotion, and what else? Let's do a lip gloss. Fits pretty good in here, as you can see. Close it up, and you're good to go to have a great crystal night. This really shines in the light. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this bag. Even in the mirror, as you can see. Let's bring it up. It's just beautiful. Okay, so that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you this really cute bag. They also had it in black leather, which is actually vegan leather, and it was $59 for the discounted price, and either $79.99 or $89.99 for the black leather version. Okay, so let's show you one more time what's in this. So once again, you can have cards on this side right here, but you're going to have a lotion, eyeglass cleaner, lipstick, and this, and a small wallet and cards and cash. And that's what fits in this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I haven't seen this in this color, and I'm so happy I got it. And put the stuffing back in later. But this is the crystal Abacus bag, I think, if that's what it's called. And with the silver lining. Yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.